Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's lesson on the regulatory and ethical considerations of using AI in healthcare. I'm delighted to be here with you as we navigate this crucial aspect of AI integration into medical practice. As general practitioners, your role is not only to provide care, but also to ensure that the technologies you use uphold the highest standards of patient safety, privacy, and ethical integrity. Today, we'll delve into topics such as data privacy, algorithmic bias, patient safety, legal liabilities, and the overall ethical implications of AI in healthcare. We'll discuss real-life examples to illustrate these points and help you understand how they might apply in your practice. Data privacy is a critical concern when integrating AI into healthcare. AI systems often rely on vast amounts of sensitive patient data, including medical histories and genetic information, to function effectively. For example, an AI diagnostic tool predicting disease likelihood requires extensive patient records for accuracy. While this benefits preventive care, it raises concerns about safeguarding sensitive data. In many regions, strict regulations govern personal health data usage. The EU's General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, for instance, ensures privacy and security. As GPs, ensure that AI tools comply with these regulations and always inform patients about how their data will be used. Transparency is vital. Obtain explicit consent and explain protections in place. Given rising cyber threats, preventing data breaches is paramount. Collaborate with AI providers who prioritize encryption, secure storage, and regular security audits to maintain trust and security. Next, let's talk about algorithmic bias. What does that mean? It is simple. AI systems learn from data, and if that data is biased, the AI's decisions will reflect those biases. This can have serious implications in healthcare, potentially leading to disparities in patient care. Imagine an AI system designed to predict the risk of heart disease, but trained predominantly on data from male patients. Such a system might underpredict risk in female patients because the data doesn't represent them adequately. This could lead to women not receiving necessary preventive care. As GPs, it's crucial to be aware of these potential biases. When selecting AI tools, inquire about the diversity of the datasets used to train them. Ask companies or vendors questions like, was the training data representative of different genders, ethnicities, and age groups? And what measures have been taken to mitigate bias? Continuous monitoring is also essential. For example, if you notice that an AI tool consistently underperforms with a subset of your patients, that could be a red flag indicating bias. In such cases, reporting these issues to the developers can help improve the system. Patient safety is paramount in healthcare, and integrating AI must not compromise it. AI tools enhance diagnostic accuracy and treatment planning, but are not infallible. For instance, an AI system misinterpreting imaging data could suggest a false negative for a malignant tumor. If a GP relies solely on AI without applying clinical judgment, a patient might miss vital early intervention. To prevent this, use AI as a support tool, not a replacement, and cross-reference its recommendations with your expertise. Stay informed about guidelines and ensure AI tools undergo rigorous clinical trials and real-world validation to maintain patient safety standards. The use of AI in healthcare raises legal liability concerns. If an AI system contributes to a medical error, such as incorrectly assessing stroke risk, who is responsible, the clinician, the AI developer, or both? As a GP, you remain responsible for patient care even when using AI tools. It's crucial to understand the limitations of these systems, document clinical decisions and AI's role, and stay informed about regional legal frameworks. Consulting legal professionals and indemnity providers ensures clarity and protection when integrating AI into your practice. Ethical considerations extend beyond technical and legal aspects, touching on the patient-provider relationship and nature of care. Over-reliance on AI risks reducing human interaction, potentially making patients feel neglected if their GP focuses more on a computer than on them. Balancing AI's efficiency with compassionate, patient-centered care is vital. Transparency is equally important. Patients should know when AI is involved in their care and how it impacts decisions. This builds trust and empowers active participation. Discuss AI openly during consultations, for instance. This AI tool analyzes your symptoms alongside thousands of cases to help us explore all possible diagnoses. Let's review its suggestions together. As mentioned before in this training program, I would like to emphasize again that AI is a tool to enhance your practice, not to replace the critical thinking and empathy that you provide as healthcare professionals. AI can handle time-consuming tasks like data analysis or scheduling, freeing up more time for you to spend with patients. In diagnostics, AI can highlight areas of concern on imaging studies, but your expertise is needed to interpret these findings in the context of the patient's overall health. By viewing AI as an assistant, you can leverage its strengths while maintaining control over clinical decisions. This approach ensures that the human touch remains central to patient care. The regulatory environment for AI in healthcare is still evolving. Regulatory bodies are working to establish frameworks that ensure safety and efficacy without stifling innovation. As an example, the European Union has introduced regulations under the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, that impact how AI can process personal data. As GPs, staying informed about these regulations is essential. Engaging with professional associations and participating in continuing education can help you keep up to date with regulatory changes. Also, when adopting new AI tools, ensure they are compliant with current regulations. This includes verifying that they have the necessary approvals and certifications. Let me share a real-life example to illustrate these concepts. A hospital implemented an AI system to predict patient readmissions. The goal was to identify high-risk patients and provide interventions to prevent readmission. However, it was discovered that the AI model was less accurate for patients from minority backgrounds due to underrepresentation in the training data. This led to unequal care, with some patients not receiving the necessary support. The hospital addressed this issue by retraining the AI model with a more diverse dataset and implementing continuous monitoring to detect and correct biases. They also enhanced transparency by informing patients about the use of AI in their care plans. This highlights the importance of vigilance in ensuring that AI systems promote equity and uphold ethical standards. In today's lesson, we covered the key regulatory and ethical considerations of using AI in healthcare. Protecting patient data is vital. Ensure compliance with data laws and transparency. Be mindful of algorithmic bias, using diverse training data and monitoring AI performance across groups. Prioritize patient safety by using AI as a support tool, maintaining clinical oversight, and validating tools. Understand liability by documenting decisions and seeking legal guidance. Balance efficiency with compassion, preserving transparency and patient trust. Stay informed about evolving regulations and use compliant AI tools. Thoughtful integration of AI can enhance healthcare delivery, improve outcomes, and uphold trust and quality of care. Thank you for your attention and engagement during this important discussion. As GPs, you are at the forefront of patient care and play a crucial role in shaping how AI is adopted in healthcare. By being mindful of the regulatory and ethical considerations we've discussed, you can leverage AI to enhance your practice while safeguarding your patients' rights and well-being.